Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I'll be showing you how to hide your Instagram account from search. So, to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up your Instagram application into your device. Now, once you are here on your Instagram, you could just simply go ahead and select your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now, once you are here on your profile, you would just simply go ahead and select the three lines, the top right corner of the screen. Now, guys, from here, just simply go ahead and scroll down on these settings and activity until you see over here a category who can see your content. So from here, you would just simply go ahead and tap on account privacy. You guys remember that making your account private will most likely hide your Instagram account from search, and this is the best option that you could have based on the Instagram features. And what you could try to do as well is you could just simply go ahead and go for the limit interactions over here. So from here, mostly it will make your account limited. So from here, you would just simply turn this on and utilize this feature of Instagram as well in order for you to hide your Instagram account from search. And pretty much these are all of the features that you might want to consider to do this process.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.